Hello and welcome to another video on how to trade forex and volatility index. Okay, I have V75 1 minute time frame on my screen, and the screen is divided into 4 windows. I have the main window. This is my main window. Okay, I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. And I have indicator window 3. This indicator window 3. Now, how does this strategy work? Okay, now the way it works on the main window is when the two lines, I'm talking about these gray and orange lines, when they cross above the blue line, have bullish trend development. Okay, and when price bounces above the gray line, as long as the gray line is above the orange line, I can always buy. Okay, I can always buy. My take profit will be when the gray line drops and crosses below the orange line. I can always take profit. But when the gray line also pops up above the orange line, I can buy again, just like what I've just done now. You can see currently buying, price going up. Okay, so that's that. But mind you, the blue line, this blue line, which is the trend line, must be below. Okay, for me to buy into bullish trend. And just like bullish trend for bearish trend is the same pattern. Okay, allow the orange and gray lines to drop below the blue line for you to have bullish trend development. Then you can always sell, scalp sell when the gray line drops below the orange line and price drops below the gray line. You can always sell at that point. So that's for the main window. Let's look at the parameters. Okay, we have fractals. Okay, we have Bollinger Bands. The period is 21. Deviation is 0.010. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is orange. Then another Bollinger Band, that's 200. The period is 200. Deviation is 0.010. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is blue. Then we have moving average. Period is 13. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Color is gray. So that's that for the main window. Let's go to indicator window 1. Okay, we have a red line. Okay, when the red line crosses below the two blue lines, then I take a sell. Okay, when it crosses below, take a sell. Okay, but when it pops up above, I buy. Remember, we are on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, buy. Pops up, I buy. Place a buy trade. Okay, so that's that for indicator window 1, just like what we have currently. It's currently above the red line, is currently above the blue line, so I'm okay to buy. Okay, so let's look at it. It's currently above the blue line, so I'm okay to buy. Let's look at the parameters for indicator window 1. We have MACD. Okay, we have MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Okay, no color for the MACD. Then we have moving average. The period is 250. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Applied first indicator's data. Color is blue. Then another moving average. Period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Applied first indicator's data. Color is navy blue. Then the last moving average for indicator window 1, we have 1 period. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicators data. Color is red. So that's that for indicator window 1. Remember, when the red line crosses below, that's time to sell. When it crosses above, just like it is above, and price is currently going up, time to buy. Okay, let's look at indicator window 2. For indicator window 2, you place a sell when the black line crosses below the red line. Okay, around the 90 I think it's 90, around the 80, 90 level. Okay, around here, crosses down. It's time to sell. Okay, sell. Confirmation of sell is when it crosses below the green and also gets to the 2025. You continue to sell. Okay, you close your sell when it attempts to cross above the 2025 level. Okay, and that's when you buy. Okay, place a buy when it crosses above, when it crosses up above the red line around the 2025 level. Confirmation is when it gets to the 80, 85 level. Okay, that's a confirmation to continue to buy, and it will continue to buy. Okay, now it's trending up is when you have the red and the black line aligning at the top, trending up, or trending down when it's aligning at the bottom of the stochastic window. Okay, let's look at the parameters. You have stochastic, percentage K is 5, percentage D period is 10, slowing is 12, price field is closed, method is simple, of course no color. Then we have levels. We have 5, we have 95, color is black. Okay, that's for the stochastic. Then relative strength index period is 15, applied to weighted close, no color. The levels, we have 80 and 20 and the color is black. Okay, that's that for the relative strength index. For moving average, we have period is 40, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to previous indicators data, and the color is green. Then we have another relative strength index. Period is 13, applied to previous indicators data. The color is red. Then we have the levels. Okay, let's look at the levels. Okay, we have 92 and 78. Okay. Then lastly, on indicator window 2, we have another relative strength index. Okay, the period is 8, applied to previous indicators data. Color is black. Okay, the levels, we have 25 and 8. Color is black. Okay, so that's that for indicator window 2. Let's go to the chart. So for indicator window 2, you can see the black crossed above the red around here. Also the red is above the blue, and also the gray. The gray is above the orange, and the orange is above the blue. So that's buying. It is 1 minute time frame. Okay, and lastly, for the last indicator window, we have average true range. Period is 14. And color is red. So the average true range here is used to confirm if you are to buy or you are to sell. Okay, if the average true range is facing is, if the red line is pointing upwards, and you are having a buy signal, buy signal, then you can buy. If it's pointing downwards and you're having a sell signal, you can sell. So the average true range also just tells you the volatility, where the volatility is skewing to. If it's skewing to the bullish, you can buy. If it's skewing to the bearish, you can sell. Okay, like you have average true range around here. You can see it pointing upwards. Then you have a buy signal here. You have another buy signal here. Okay, you have another buy signal around here. Okay, so this confirms that you are good to buy. Okay, so that's the work of the average true range. Okay, so in as much as you are good to buy, if it starts to turn downward like you have around here, if it starts to turn downwards, okay, let's try and put in a trend line for the slope. Okay, start to turn downwards, and you have the black line also coming downwards around here. and then you have the red line crossing downwards around here. Then you have the upper window also trying to give you sell signal, then you are good to sell. But here it's crossing downwards, this crossing upwards, but the trend is upwards, so just telling you that you should prepare to buy again if uh this particular retracement, this is more like a retracement bend, if it's over and you start to bend upward, then you start to buy. That's what it's telling us there. Okay, so that's that for, like, you have the average true range sloping downwards around here, and you have your sell signal. Okay, you can see your sell signal around here. All right, so you can see the way price dropped, okay, and continue to drop. Okay, this 1 minute time frame continue to drop just because the volatility of the average true range is falling. Okay, then you check, you confirm with other windows like you have around here before you take your sell or you take your buy trade. So that's that. Make sure you backtest the strategy before you use it for scalping on the 1 minute time frame. You can use it on the 1 minute time frame, you can use it on the 5 minutes time frame, you can use it on the 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour. You can use it on any time frame. Okay, and the zoom level, you can maybe 2 or 3. Zoom level 2 or 3 should be okay. Okay, 1 will be too tiny, 0 will be very tiny, 1 too tiny, 2 is okay, 3 is okay. Okay, I use 2 or 3. I prefer 2 for the zoom level. So make sure you backtest it before you start using it on your live account. You can also try it out on demo account, see how it works. If it's okay for you, if you are the type that scalps on 1 minute time frame, it should be okay for you. You can see if you can make use of it and then make some profit. But make sure you try it out on demo account, put it into perfection before you go live on your real money. Okay, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the like button for the video. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Also click the bell button below the video for notification. Then don't forget to drop your comments, ask questions if you're not clear with any part of the video. Try as much as possible to respond to your question. All right, we also have our website, www.binfxtrader.com, and another website, fxfables.com. You can visit these two websites to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way